Wike camp is now divided because those who are really affected are the lawmakers that their seats have been declared vacant. They are the ones who are still doing small small gossip. They don't have that boldness to come out and say, yes, this is what we are suffering or this is what we are going through. But because of a shame, but we have been hearing, and some of the things they are saying are filtering out. We can see that they are not happy. You don't even need a two-seater to tell you that they are happy or not, because they have goofed, and from all indications, it might not favor them until the 1st July. That is when they will know their feet. I'm sure they are pressing button here and there. The camp is divided. Some of them who are not even holding any political office. Of course, they are the ones that are still going to be hailing Wiki. And now those group of people are challenging the court's order when the court said that a Fubara not bound by defected lawmakers resolution. Yes, the court rules over that. As the High Court of Rivers State presided over by Justice C.N. Wale has barred the governor of Rivers State Siminalayi Fubara from giving effect to any resolution by state lawmakers who defected to the opposition party. All those they sign with Tinubu is null and void, so they are not bound to that. But this Wiki group, they are not relenting. What are you going to do? You don't have nothing to do. Of course, the next thing is for them to go to another court, since judiciary is now for sale. In its ruling dated May 30th, 2024, the court also barred the state chief judge, attorney general, and commissioner of justice from acting on their resolutions. Leadership Leadership on Friday records that the 25 Rivers State House of Assembly members led by Honorable Martin Chike Amiwile had defected from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressives Congress following the political feud between their mentor and FCT Minister Nyesom Wike and his estranged political godson Fubara. Shortly after their defection, the court restrained them from their seats, which were declared vacant. An order was also made stopping them from parading themselves as lawmakers. Part of the order said an order of interlocutory injunction is granted, restraining the first to 25th defendants from parading and holding out themselves as members of River States of Assembly, and they cannot meet anywhere, all in the name of a lawmakers. They can meet, so maybe as friends, as colleagues, or as Wike's people or Wike's lawmakers, not a Rivers lawmakers, which of course they have been doing. So I'm just surprised that with all this their gra, you know that a lot of bills, they always override the bills and the authority of the governor. I think as at last month, before, I don't even know what really happened, that just puts them in this mess, that they are so handicapped. They are so handicapped now that they can't even turn, they can't even breathe. I say really, because that time a body they catch them. They were just like if a Fubara fails to sign some things into law, they will override it. They will do all this. But today, where are they? And I think that even this agreement signed by Tinubu is null and void, because it's part of the resolutions the court is talking about. What have they resolved to do? And whether Tinubu, like I always say, me, I don't even trust them. He can come out and tell you one thing, but doing something else. Yes, doing something else. So all of them, they know within themselves, they know that they have crossed the red line. Hmm. Even most of the time, they think that they have power to override something. It's not everything that they can always get away with. They can't get away with anything. So I don't know how Wike's people, how they are going to do this, or they are going to force Fubara. They want to force Fubara to agree to the resolution, because I said it has given Fubara the legal backing, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. Mr. Wiki, we dey expect you. we dey expect you welly make you come know wetin or the stuff you are made of. Even Tinubu cannot even save you. There's a limit at which he can go. Mm. There is a limit at which you guys can go. It's not going to be business as usual. You can reject it for all you care, anyhow you want to do it, but it stands. Heaven, the earth, everybody has rejected you. The ones that are with you are just few, and they are doing it out of greed, not that they love you. And like I said, the Wike'S, so the lawmakers are the ones that will be more affected. But you know those who are not holding any official position, they will just be there because it is the crumbs that will be falling from the table that they will be seeking. But these ones are supposed to be having status, but they are not having status. It's going to hurt them compared to those who do not have status. So those are the ones that will still be telling that, oh God, no grief for anybody, oh. No grief for anybody. Forget it. We are solidly behind it no matter what. So those are the ones that will see, they are saying that they don't want to accept that court's decision that Fubara is not bound to effect the resolution from the lawmakers, of the lawmakers. So guys, let's hear your opinion and have your take on this. Thank you.